students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, which of the following shows the electric field line due to electric dipole? So let's try to understand about the dipole. For a dipole, we need at least two charges, one positive, one negative, and both should be of equal magnitude. So let's try to eliminate options one by one. So first of all, let's see option D. There is only one charge. So this will never be our correct option, because for electric dipole we need at least two charges, and all other options there are two charges, but we need one positive, one negative of equal magnitude. So option C, you will see both the charges are positive. Why positive? Because electric field line from both the charges is coming out. See here, this is coming out in this direction and this is also coming out in this direction. So both charges are positive charge. This is also positive charge and this is also positive charge. But for electric dipole we need one positive, one negative. So option C is also incorrect. Now let's see option B and option A. See, electric field line at this charge it is entering inside, entering inside, entering inside, and for this charge it is exiting outside. Correct? If you can see, correct? So this is a negative charge and this is a positive charge. Yes, they can be a dipole. Let's see this option as well. Here see, for Q1 the electric field lines are entering inside, so this is our negative charge, and for Q2 it is going outside, so this is our positive charge. So option A and option B both have one negative, one positive, so they can be dipole, right? There is one more condition, that is they both the charges should be of equal magnitude. So let's see which have a equal magnitude. See here, they are symmetric, right? That means both the charges have equal magnitude, but here there are more number of electric field lines for Q2 charge. That means magnitude of Q2, here magnitude of Q2 is greater than magnitude of Q1, because electric field line here are more than electric field line here. So electric field line directly tells us about the magnitude of the electric field. So here this can't be electric dipole because both are not of equal magnitude. Here they are of equal magnitude, that's why this is our correct option. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.